Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Okay, let's talk about diet and what I am eating for the day today. Okay, so here's the deal. I was always reticent to share the, hey, what do I eat in a day? Because honestly, I kind of find it annoying. I don't know, I find it annoying when other people do it because I'm thinking, one, it's too perfect of a diet and nobody eats like that every day. Or when you see the celebrities, you know, what I eat in a day, and it's like, oh, I have a cup of tea for breakfast. For lunch, I have a piece of lettuce and 1 ounce of chicken. And I'm thinking, no, you don't. I mean, they totally cleaned it up. So here's the deal. I don't count calories, but I'm really mindful of how I'm eating. So there are a few things that I definitely don't eat. One is added sugar. I should say I have a very, very, very low added sugar diet. If something sneaks in on accident, like maybe in a little bit of a tablespoon of teriyaki sauce that I like and I put on my chicken, you know, so be it. But I stay under 24 grams of added sugar a day for sure, and I'm probably under 5. Now, if this doesn't make sense to you, I wrote a whole book on the California Sugar Cleanse. It's all about getting added sugar out of your diet, and it has 53 recipes that you can make that are healthy and delicious. I'll put the link down below there. And the other thing that I rarely, if ever, eat are any white bread, white pasta, white rice, anything with refined flour, and certainly I don't eat added sugar or very little. Okay, so let me share with you exactly what I am eating today. And this is, as a general rule of thumb, this is generally how I do eat. Okay, so for today, I am having a piece of sprouted toast. And with that, I like to put egg whites and a full egg on it. I just love whole eggs, they're delicious. And so I have that. And then I also have a latte, and this is what I've been doing lately. You're gonna love this. It's holiday-ish. So in my latte, I love these. If you haven't tried these nut pods, they're not sponsoring me, you guys. I'm just sharing with you what I like. That's what I do. But I've been having these nut pods, and it's peppermint mocha. It's really, really good. No sugar, no added sugar, no preservatives. It's just an almond and coconut creamer. It's like 10 calories and 1 tablespoon, no big deal. So I put this in my coffee with this no sugar sweetener called peppermint cookie. It's really good. It's called Better Than Stevia. It's a 0 calorie liquid sweetener. So I put these 2 things in my coffee, and I swear to God, it's like having a peppermint mocha. It's really good. And I usually go work out, right? So I go and I do my quick workout. And then afterwards, sometimes I'm hungry and sometimes I'm not. If I'm not hungry, I don't eat. I don't make myself eat. But usually I am. So what I've been doing lately, again, I'm into the adaptogens. I've been doing these for a month, and actually my skin's gotten better. So I have been making their Blue Beauty Bowl, and it is, let me grab it. I put in a blender this Blue Beauty adaptogenic protein. This is good for your skin and your body because of the protein. And then I put a teaspoon of this beauty dust. I love the sound of that, beauty dust. And this is adaptogens for your skin. So if you want more information on that, I'll put a link to the video down below, but that's what I've been doing. And then I mix it up with a little Greek yogurt, a banana, and then I sprinkle a little toasted coconut and some almonds on it and some blueberries. All right, so that's my snack. For lunch, I have recently been into Daily Harvest. I don't know if you've probably seen the commercials. So what they do is, let me grab one. Okay, I had to grab them for you. All right, let me show you. All right, so Daily Harvest, and they deliver, it's meal delivery, and they deliver these to you every week. They are frozen, and they're all natural, all organic, no GMOs, no added sugar, no refined. and I just stick them in the microwave for 5 minutes, heat and eat. They're really good. I love them. So, but here's the thing with Daily Harvest is I don't really think it's for guys because I don't think it would be enough food. I mean, it's barely enough for me for a lunch, and sometimes I'll add another piece of toast with it. But they're really good. And again, they're not sponsoring me. I'm just sharing with you what I like. For a snack, if I'm hungry, I don't make myself eat if I'm not hungry. This whole, you have to fuel your body every 3 hours, bullshit. Bull. I eat when you're hungry. So if I'm hungry later on, I'll have a piece of toast with some sliced bananas on it and some unsweetened peanut butter or almond butter. I just love that. It's a treat. That's really good. Dinner, I'm having this seafood stew, this cioppino that I just made. I'll put the recipe link down below. I did a video on it just a couple days ago. But this is a tomato-based seafood stew. The cioppino is really, really, really easy to make, and you're essentially eating all protein and veggies. It is delicious, it is filling, and it's perfect for, especially around the holidays. This is my go-to cold weather stew that I make. It's perfect for around the holidays when you don't always want to eat like crap, like in between the turkey and the cookies, but you also don't want to feel like you're suffering on a diet. This feels decadent and filling, but it's also light and healthy for you. All right, so that's not really. I mean, I don't not drink, if that makes sense. I don't not drink. Like for sure, if I'm in the mood and we're out, I'll have a martini, or we go down to my parents, I'll have whatever my mom and dad are serving, or we have people up here, I'll have a glass of wine. But I really don't drink for a couple reasons. One, it just doesn't really appeal to me. But secondly, there are a ton of calories in it. It's really bad for your skin. It's just bad for your skin. And I always wake up in the middle of the night with my tongue stuck to the top roof of my mouth. My girlfriend says I need to build a tolerance. But so I just really don't. So to each her own. That's what I eat. If you want more information on the California Sugar Cleanse, I'll put the link down below. And for everything health, fitness, wellness, style, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.